This is Tangential Thoughts Chat Show, Tangential Thoughts Radio. And welcome to the Graffiti Jungle Cigar Lounge. So, we got an unboxing tonight. Please welcome Goku to the Graffiti Jungle Cigar Lounge. Let's get into this unboxing. It's a little dark. It's getting a little dark, so we don't shy away from the darkness. Make sure you got something to, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you got a bev. We got a bev. Get your snacks ready. First time having these. Bussin'. Shit. Get your snacks ready. You should already have your puff on. Cut your cigar, light it up. Load your cigar pipe up, light it up. While you're doing that, because I'm already lit up. Let me get, that's the unboxing. And let's get these lights going on. And then while we got the lights getting set up, we might as well jump into the mix. As well. All right. LED lights are set in place. If we get the playlist going, then we do the unboxing. All right, let's get into the mix. Let's go to my playlist. Let's get it lit up. Gotta cut the car on. I'm not singing to no man. Fuck out of here. Ask a bitch to do that. Get into it.
No fuck, yeah. You got metro, don't trust you.
Don't fuck me like that. Fuck me like this. Yeah. Like his first and his dad.
Put it out the coupe at the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT.
She wanna go viral. We fucking for hours.
If I ain't let him hit the pussy by now, then that nigga lame if he still waiting.
Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a link with the box.
That pussy got power. Don't get no fuck, we ain't turn up into something, yeah.
Her friends and her mom hate go. Lay down on the bed, do the cry, baby.
Rags to riches. I'm coming, my baby. Go get a crocodile burger, my baby.
I went from rags to riches. I still go back to the trenches. We had to smash some niggas.
Show you a lick, now you working, my baby. You fuck on me and feel perfect.
What's your name? Key, Jazz, Gihareh, Meg, go.
Personal, baby. Trust me, it's coming full circle, my baby. Dashing the bands is you win.
Hey, he got a bitch named Keith. She a real dick nigga.
Stay with it, baby, come on.
Perfect.
Well, the A is for Ashley. She always asks for me.
I need a girl.
Bring the trumpets in.